वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
स्तोभमनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
अयिवन्न
ऐवुन्न
ऋलक् ये ओं ऐ औच् हयवरट् लण् न्यामानम् जभै खटदश जबगडदश खपचठथ चटतौ कपै शशसर हल इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुह विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः प्रियशानां तालु ऋतुरशानां मूर्धा ऋतुलसानां दन्ताः ऊपु उपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यामाङ्गणानां नासिका च ये दैतो गो कण्ठतालु
एतैतो कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोगो कण्ठ ओष्टम्
ओदौतो कण्ठोष्टम्
कारस्य दन्त ओष्टम्
वकारस्य दन्तोष्टम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमणिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिगता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिहता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे ओ राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे ओ राम मामुद्धर
तिप्तस्थी
तिप्तस्थी
सिद्धस्थ वस्मस्
मिप्मस्
आतां झ आस आतां ध्वं इट् वहि महिं लट्लकार प्रत्ययः तीतः अन्ति सी थः थ मी वह मह ते इते अन्ते से इथे द्वे ये ई वहे महे These are the lut ting pratyaya, parasmepadi and atmepadi, derived from the original pratyayas. The last class we did the derivation of some simple dhatus. We get some homework also. Did you try?
Yes.
Do you have any doubts in that derivation of the forms of the verbs?
No, Guruji.
Will you all try?
Yes, Guruji.
Patati, patataha. So sandhi jnanam also is important. That is why it's easy for us. Vedanta, sakara, becoming ru, repa, etc. So we did simple dhatu I gave. Parasmepadi as well as atmanepadi forms.
Yes, good.
Now, in that two rules we saw, please remember this. One is related to the sandhi. When apadanta akara followed by a guna letter, what are guna letters? You must know. Akara, ekara, okara. Ete trayaha varnaha gunaha gunasanyikaha a, e, o. We know that. In guna sandhi we have seen. Apadanta akara followed by a guna letter. Both the purva and para will be replaced by the para rupam, which is para means following. The following one is guna letter. Therefore, guna letter will replace both. This is one. Where did you apply this rule? In the derivation of the kriya padam. Which Purusha, which Vachana? When do you apply this rule? Pararupa Sandhi.
Pratama Purusha Bahuvachanam.
Prathama Purusha Bhagavachanam, we apply this rule. Then only you get the word Kriyapadam Patanti. Otherwise, Patanti will be there if it is Savana Dirgha Sandhi. This is number one. Number two, what we learned is when the Anga ending in Rasva Akara, you know the term Anga. Anga makes what? What is Anga?
The pratyahara.
Proceeding pratyaya.
Again,
That which
Which
precedes
precedes
the
the
pratyaya.
pratyaya.
that which precedes the Pratyaya. That's all.
Pratyaya.
That which precedes the Pratyaya. It could be either the Dhatu or it could be the Dhatu plus Pratyaya. Could be, that is with regard to the Pratyaya. Everything which precedes is called Anga. The example we saw, Pat plus Shab plus Tip. With regard to Tip, Pat plus Shab is the Anga. With regard to Shab, Pat is the Anga. So Anga, the technical term, important. I use the word Anga. And the Anga ending with Rasvakara when followed by a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. What is a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya? You have to recall whatever we studied in the last.
Ting and
Shit
all the
pratyaya.
thing pratyayas.
Shit Pratyayas are
Shit.
Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Here we are doing Tinganta, that is Kriyapada. Therefore, Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya. Beginning with young letter.
Young letter.
Young letter is all these letters Antastavarnaha and Varga, Panchamaha, then
Panchama.
Jabha also. Young Pratyaya. So when the Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya beginning with the young letter follows the Anga ending with Rasva Akara, then Rasva Akara will become Dirghaha. This rule is applied where in the derivation of the Latlakara of the Dhatu Pat.
Uttama
How do you apply
Purusha.
this?
Uttama Purusha.
Uttama Purusha.
Uttama Purusha.
Uttama Purusha, where?
Ekavachanam Bahuvachanam
Ekavachanam,
Dvivachanam.
Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam.
All
Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Otherwise, you get Patami only. Patami is wrong. Patami, Patavaha, Patamaha. So these two rules are important. Please note. I use the word Anga here because this is a Anga Karya. Karya means some action happening on the Anga because of the following Pratyaya. So we call it as Anga Karya. This is Anga Karya. This is Sandhi Karya. The first one is Sandhi Karya. It is Sandhi. The second one is Anga Karya. Then Durga Pataha, Omaka, I gave this. Then Atmanepadi also we saw. The ready-made pratyas are the te, gite, ante, se, gite, dve. Here also let me tell something. Please note this. Here in the lat lakara, te ate is there. Within bracket ite is there. Then why don't you say ate? You may ask, right? Te ate is there or not? Te ate
Yeah.
ante in the Atmanepadi.
Yes.
In the original pratyaya it was ta atam. That atam, atham, atha is there. Here ate, ate. But within bracket, I made it as ite, and that only we chanted also. Te, gite, ante, se, ite, de. You can see it is for the Adanta Anga. What is Adanta Anga means? What do you mean by
Anga
Adanta?
ending.
Huh?
Anga ending with a.
Akaranta ending.
Anga.
Anga ending in
Akara.
Akara.
Akara. Akaranta Anga. Here, in this examples, whatever we did, is it not Akara? You see that? Lab plus te. What is the Gana Vikana Pratyaya? Lab is the first Gana. Bhavadi Gana. What is Gana Vikana Pratyaya?
Shap.
Shab. What is the content of Shab?
Akara.
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 Dhatu plus A. What do you get?
Labha.
Labha.
Labha. Which is
Labha.
Akara.
Is it not the anga with regard to the pratyaya te?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Guruji.
Anga ending with what letter?
Akara.
Akara.
Therefore,
Akara.
adanta anga. Understand? Therefore, it is adantanga. Because it is adantanga, therefore only I use the pratyaya ite. Therefore only I use the pratyaya ite. Here is the lab plus shab. Lab, the dhatu, shab, the gana vikana pratyaya for the first gana. The content is a. Therefore, lab plus a is lava. Lava plus here should have been ate. According to the PowerPoint, te ate. But anga ending with what letter?
Akara.
Akara.
Therefore, it is not ate, it is ite.
Ite.
Therefore, for all the adanta anga, remember the pratyaya is ite. Pratama purusha pratyaya is ite. Madhyama purusha pratyaya is ite. For all the adanta anga. If it is not adanta anga, then don't use ite. What you have to use?
Ate.
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 You have to see the anga. Anga ending with what? If it anga ending with akara, that is what you have written. Adanta anga. What is adanta anga?
Other than
What is adanta?
At the antam.
Anta. Adanta means at plus anta. Adanta. What's Sandhi?
Jastham.
Very good. At is akara restricts only that letter akara to that letter alone. It will not bring it savarna. That is why takara is there. We know that, right?
Mm.
You have seen that. Akara, when I say it stands for all the letters, how many savarnas are there for akara?
18.
18.
18.
We don't want that 18. We only want that akara alone. For that only takara is there. At. Now at plus anta, doing Jashwa Sandhi, what will happen?
Adan.
Ad.
At plus anta, you get adanta. That is what is written. Adanta anga iti. Okay. So adanta anga will take the pratyaya ite or ite. That is for dvivachanam. Pratama purusha dvivachanam, madhyama purusha dvivachanam. That's why we are dealing only with adanta anga. Now, non-adanta anga we will see later. Don't worry about it now. So therefore the pratyaya is ite, te ite, ante, se ite, dve, then e vahe mahe. It is e. In some books it is given ye, but it is e only. Ye will come when it joins with a. It becomes ye. So don't take it as ye. It is e only. E vahe mahe. So labhe, labha vahe, labha mahe. Right? And Pashadhatu, I gave this as an example. Why Pashadhatu is Ubhayapadi. Both you can take Parasmipadi as well as Atmanipadi Pratyaya. Because it is Ubhayapadi, Dhatu, Ubhayapadi. Therefore, Pachati, Pachati or Pachate. Both are possible. Right? Up to this we saw in the last class. Any doubts up here?
No, Guruji.
Guruji, for this lab dhatu, for this Uttama Purusha, there the Dirgha is not coming. So just wanted to check.
Uttama Purusha, Labdhatu.
For Atmanipadi, it is Labhi, Labhavahe and Labhamahe. So, but in most of the other cases, even the first one is also the Dirgha comes. So only here it is just
Your voice is not clear. It is. Are you using speaker or this? Please come closer and speak. Not clear. No clarity.
Can you hear me now, Guruji?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yeah, so I just want to know for only for Uttama Purusha, for Atmanipadi, Labdhatu. So just if you see the final result is Labhi. So here the Dirgha is not coming, right? In most of the other cases, the first case also the Dirgha.
Dirgha will come only when they followed by Yannadi Pratyaya. This is vowel. This is not a Yan. Therefore, doesn't come.
Okay.
The rule is when they followed by Yang Pratyaya. Yara lava nyamangana jabha. Here vowel follows. Why should it become dirgha? Dirgha will not happen. What will happen is sandhi only will happen. A plus E gunasandhi.
Yeah, got it.
When two vowels follow, sandhi will happen. So labe lapa vahe. Here vahe, it happens. Why? Yangadi pratyaya follows. Therefore,
Yeah,
short
correct.
A becomes long. Right?
Yeah.
So now we will see today different dhatus. The dhatus, dhatavaha can be, I give a general classification. There are different dhatus are there. So dhatus can be classified into, this is for our understanding. You know why I classify like this? Later. Dhatus can be classified. Ikaranta dhatu. Ikaranta dhatu. It is why Ikaranta, I don't think it is like a Shabda we are going to decline. Not like that. It is for our easy, derivation. Ikaranta dhatu, for each dhatu, I'll give example. Then Ukaranta dhatu, Ukaranta dhatu. Ukaranta dhatu, Ukaranta dhatu. Dhataha generally can be classified into, general classification is dhatu ending with ach, ajanta dhatavaha, ajanta dhatuhu or dhatavaha, whatever it may be. Under that, we can have ikaranta, ikaranta, ukaranta, ukaranta, right? You all see my screen?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji. Yes, Ji.
Then rikaranta, it's all possible. Rikaranta dhatuhu, then rikaranta dhatuhu, all these dhatus are there. Rikaranta dhatuhu, then ejanta dhatuhu. Age is what? What is age? Age,
Evonga Yauch.
age plus anta, what's sandhi? H plus anta.
Justam only.
What will happen then?
Edge.
Ejanta. So ejanta. Ejanta dhatuhu. Dhatu ending with H letter. H is A, I, O, O. A, O, Evong, I, ouch. Ejanta. So dhatu can end with akara also. Adanta also it is. We will see that. But here it is not required now. I read it for a purpose. This is ajanta dhatu. Okay. Then what about halanta? Dhatu ending with halanta. Halanta dhatu is there or not? Halanta dhatu. We have seen what is the dhatu, pat dhatu, the very first example. Pat dhatu, dhatu ending with hal. Lab dhatu ending with
Hal.
hal. Halanta dhatu. Hal anta, dhatu ending with consonant. Ajanta, dhatu ending with vowel. So I'm classifying the dhatus as ending with ikara, ikara, ukara, ukara, rikara, etc. like that. Similarly, halanta dhatu. So just dividing into this such category, then we will see what other things will happen. So here also some categories are there. We will see that later. Halanta dhatu. Now we are going to see dhatus like this for each conjugation, each group. Now let us take, before that, an important thing we have to know. Please pay attention. Important. What is ik?
E U R L.
E O R. E stands for
E and the Savarna.
or it's Savarna. But we don't need other thing. And when you derive, we need only dirgha. Similarly, U stands for?
Dirgha.
U stands for? These are the what letters?
Ik letters.
Please remember, these are the ik letters. Now, anga ending with ik varna, ik letters. Anga ending with ik letter. Can I say in Sanskritam, ik plus anta plus
Anga.
anga. Ik plus anta, what will happen?
Igantaha.
Very good. Iganta. It is Iganta anga, right?
Yeah.
I'm not just doing sandhi. I keep it as Iganta anga. You understand Iganta anga? So I will use the word Iganta anga. Anga ending with ik letter. First thing is I told what is ik. Must be clear. Then anga ending with ik letter. That is Iganta anga. That is, I need this Iganta anga. Now you know what it is. Now, Iganta anga means anga ending with e, u, r. That is what I have written here. Ikaranda dhatu, etc. We'll see what it is.
Mm.
Now, this Iganta anga, when followed by a sarva dhatuka pratyaya, sarvadhatuka pratyaya. I just modify here, sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya. What is sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya? What are sarvadhatuka pratyaya? Please see the.
Shit pratyaya.
Pratyaya.
Ting and shit.
These are the thing pratyayas, right?
Yes.
Are they not sarvadhatuka?
Yes.
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 Sarvadhatuka. Among this, what are those pratyayas which are pit?
Ekavachanam, Guruji.
Ekavachanam.
Yeah.
And then Pradama Purusha, Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Purusha Bhagavachanam. That is Bhagavachanam.
No.
No, it's just tip, sip,
She-
and
Tip,
Sip
Ekavachanam.
and mip.
Name
sorry,
those.
sorry. I missed.
Sip.
Name
तस्मै
those.
पदे एकवचनम्
Name those pratyayas which are pit.
Tip, sip.
Tip, sip, mip.
Tip, sip, mip.
Tip, sip, mip. These are the pratyayas where pakara is ita letter, right?
Mm.
Therefore, these are the pratyayas which are sarvadhatuka pit
Pit pratyaya.
pratyaya. What about the other pratyayas, the rest of the pratyayas?
Apit.
Apit. What is that? They are not pit. Na pit, apit.
Mm.
Opposite. Na pit, apit. So, please note this. Sarvadhatuka pit pratyayas, sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya. Number one, all these are sarvadhatuka pratyaya. That must be clear. Why things should sarvadhatuka? Number two, among these 18 sarvadhatuka pratyayas, tip, sip, mip, they are sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya. The rest are sarvadhatuka apit pratyaya. This is number two. Clear? The pitvam, the ita letter is important. No ita letter is insignificant. Every ita letter has got some purpose. So from this original thing pratyaya only, we derived the pratyaya for the letlakara. I said there ti, si, mi. Even though pakara is not seen, we have removed it because it's ita letter. But these have got the attributes. What attributes? What property? It has got pitvam. It has got pitvam.
Itva.
Even though pakara is not seen, it is ita letter, therefore removed. Okay. But it is pitvam. C is pit, has got pitvam. Me has got pitvam. Whereas saha, so they don't have pitvam. They are apit. So P, C, me, always it is pit. Because in the original pratyaya, pakara is there as ita letter. Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Now see the rule. Iganta anga. When iganta anga is followed by a sarvadhatuka pratyaya, then the anga will take guna. What do you understand by this? When the iganta anga followed by a sarvadhatuka pratyaya, then the anga will take guna. Iganta anga will take guna.
E will become
Gunasandhi
A.
will happen, Guruji.
Not gunasandhi. I will give an example. You see now. Let us take the dhatu. What is the first dhatu in the dhatu pata?
Bhu.
Bhu.
Udana.
Bhu.
Bhu is the first dhatu in the dhatu pata. It is a mangala word, shabda also. Bhu, om bhu, om bhuvaha, iti. Only Gayatri mantra also starts the Jagruti. Bhu. So Bhu is a dhatu. Bhu sattayam. Now, Bhu belongs to first gana. So let us do Bhu. Pratama Purusha Ekavachana. Let me copy paste from here. From Paddhatu. The Parasmepadi Dhatu, I just copy paste from here. You can copy paste everything. First one is enough. Parasmepadi Dhatu. I'm taking the Parasmepadi Dhatu. Bhu. Which meaning is Sattayam. That is in the sense of being. In the sense of being. Important dhatu. That in the sense of being. Bhavati. From this only you get. The Kriya Padam Bhavati derived from the dhatu Bhu. Now you see. Bhu plus T. T is what? Tip. It's a pit pratyaya. You have to see the T as the pit pratyaya, sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya. You have to see the pratyaya as sarvadhatuka number 1 and also it has a pit pratyaya. Now, Bhu plus Shap. What about Shap? Sarvadhatukam or?
Yes, it is Sarvadhatukam.
And also it is?
Gana Vikarna.
It's also Pit.
Also Gana Vikarna, fine. Also it is pit. Here also, Shap is also pit only. Pakara is it letter. So, therefore, when I say Sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya, some examples. Sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya, udaharanam is, you can take the Gana Vikarna Shap and you can take the tip, sip. All these are udaharanam. Shap is also Sarvadhatuka and it is a pit. The content is A. And tip, the content is T. Sip, the content is C. Mip, the content is Me. Now, Bhu plus Shap plus T. Tip, but Pakara is it letter, we remove T. Shap also we will remove it. We'll see now. Now, cut. Now you see, what is the anga for T?
Bhu plus Shap.
Bhu plus Shap. What is the anga for Shap?
Akara.
Bhu.
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 Bhu is the anga. Ending with what letter?
Ukara.
Ukara.
That is an
Ukara.
ik letter.
Ukara is what letter now?
Ik letter.
Letter. That is what I said here. Ik letter. So anga ending with what letter? Ik letter.
Ikaranta.
Ikan.
Ik letter.
Iganta.
Iganta anga. Followed by a sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya, that is Shap pratyaya here. Then what will happen to the anga? Anga will take guna. So Shap pratyaya follows, which is sarvadhatuka pratyaya, pit pratyaya, follows the iganta anga. Now iganta anga will take guna. Means what? Anga has got the Anga ending with U,
Ukara.
Ukara. That U will be replaced by the Guna letter. That's what Anga will take Guna. It means the ik letter of the Anga, I can modify this. Then the ik letter of the Anga will take Guna, right? Or will be replaced by, whichever you feel like, will be replaced by a Guna letter. Understand? The ik letter of the Anga will be replaced by a Guna letter. Now coming back here. What is the ik letter of the Anga with Anga? What is the ik letter? U. U is the Anga with regard to Shak, and the ik letter of the Anga is U, and therefore U will be replaced by what letter now?
Akara. Guna letter.
What is the Guna letter?
A-A-O. Sorry.
I-A-O. Which letter you will take? Which letter will come?
We take a
Really?
Oh.
On what basis you take A?
Bishop.
On what basis you take A? Girjan.
Bhava.
Three people, Swayamvara, 3 people have come. Whom will you select? Yeah. Now the marriage has to happen. Whom will you select? There should be some compatibility, right? Jadavam should match. At least not 10 by 10, at least 5 by 10, right?
Sarasthanam.
Akara Ucharana Sthanam is Kanta.
Atta.
A is Ucharana Sthanam is Kantakalu. O is Kanta.
Oshtam.
Oshtam. U and O.
Here what is that?
match.
Ukara is
Oshtam.
Oshta. Oshta. That's why I said, even if Jadam 10 by 10 is not there, at least 5 by 10 should match. Then only the Vivaha will sustain. Otherwise,
Thank you, Guruji.
problem. So replace U by O.
Oh.
This is the right choice. So among the 3 letters, 3 are Guna letters. That's why in the beginning itself I said, Guna, Trayaha Gunaha. Ayevo iti, ete Trayaha Gunaha iti, Guna Sanyataha iti. So U is replaced by O. Now what will happen? Akara plus O is O. And the content of Shap is remove the cracking letter. It has done the job.
Akara.
Akara.
O plus A. And then followed by let me have tip Pakara. Let me have Pakara all the way. Then I will remove it later. Now let me keep it and then I will remove it later to show you. Now Bo plus A, what will happen? 2 bubbles.
Ayavaya Sandhi.
Ayavaya Sandhi, Guruji.
Yes, good. Bo plus A. So Bo will be replaced by Ayali.
Av.
Bo plus A. Bo plus A is
Bhava.
Baba.
Bhava.
Baba plus Baba plus Tip.
Bhavati.
What is the- Now listen, what is the Anga of Tip?
Bhava.
Bhava.
Does it end with ik letter?
Akarantam.
Kara.
Does it end with ik letter?
Yes, Guruji.
No.
No.
No, Guruji.
No,
No.
Guruji.
Therefore, no Guna Angakarya possible because doesn't end with ik letter. Therefore, even though here Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, it is Pit, it cannot cause any change in the end letter, which is not an ik letter. It is
Of the
Akara.
Anga.
Only if it is ik, it can do. In the case of Shap, it did because ik letter was there. Whereas in the case of Pit, with regard to Pit, the Anga ends with A. It is not ik. Therefore, just join. Baba.
Bhavati.
That's how we get Bhavati. How Bhu becomes Bhavati. This is how it becomes Bhavati. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Ji.
Very nice.
Yes, Guruji.
So let me say it, repeat again. Those who have problem in understanding, please listen. Bhu plus Tip. We are doing Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. Bhu plus Tip. Tip is the Pratyaya corresponding to Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. When Tip Pratyaya is added, The Gana Vikarana Pratyaya corresponding to the Dhatu will walk in, and that will come immediately after the Dhatu. So therefore, Bhu plus Shap plus Tip, the second step. Then you have to understand here, with regard to Shap, Bhu is the Anga. With regard to Tip, Bhu plus Shap is the Anga. This always you have to keep saying it. Then Shap is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, Tip Pratyaya, it's a Pit Pratyaya. Tip Pratyaya is Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, which is also Pit Pratyaya. When the Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyaya follows, Igantanga will take Guna iti. The rule is that. So here Bu is Iganta ending with U, and the U will be replaced by O because followed by the Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyaya. So replace the equal letter by O. So therefore Bo plus content of Shap is A. When two vowels come into contact, Sandhi will happen. Ayadi Sandhi, O plus A. O will be replaced by Au Adesha. So Bava plus Tip. Tip is Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyaya, but it cannot cause any Angakarya. Why? Because the Anga doesn't end with equal letter. So therefore, no Angakarya. I use the word Angakarya. Please note, Angakarya. No Angakarya will happen. So you get Baba plus T, Bhavati. So the rule what you have learned today is this Angakarya. Important Angakarya. There are some more Angakarya rules are there. I will tell one by one. Angakaryani, Angakarya Niyamaha. This is number one. Angakarya Niyama. What are the Angakarya will happen? This is number one to be noted. Important. Please note this. Right? This is number one, Angakarya. So similarly, now let us complete Bhu. We have not done. Pratama Purusha we did. Other Purusha, simple. Once you do like this, you see. Next one. What is the next one? Pratama Purusha, Dvivachana. Pratyaya is. What is the Pratyaya? Tas. Bhu plus Tas. Then what will happen? Bhu plus Shap plus Tas. Shap will cause Angakarya because it is Sarvadhatuka Pit. So O will become O. So finally what you will have?
Padanta Sakara replaced by Ref.
भवतः
Bhavataha.
Sakara replaced by two, Roob replaced by Repa.
Baba plus Tas. Shap will cause the Angakarya. So Bo will become Bo plus Baba. Always Baba will be there. After that you add the Pratyaya. So Baba plus Tas. Baba plus Tas will become Bhavatas. Now Bhavatas is a Padam. Padanta Sakara will be replaced by Ru. Ru is nothing but a Repa. And Repa, Padanta Repa. Karavasana. Padanta Repa followed by Kar will be replaced by
Aravasana.
Avasana. So you get Bhavataha. Understand?
Yeah.
Now, Bhavati, Bhavataha. Then, same thing, copy paste for Bhagavachana. Bhagavachana Pratyaya is Pratama Purusha. Bhagavachana Pratyaya is Anti.
Chi.
So what will happen? Anti. Bhu plus Anti. Then Shap will come. Bhu plus Shap plus Anti. Then Bhu is Iganta with regard to Shap. Therefore, U will be replaced by O. Guna Angakarya will happen. So Bo plus Shap plus Anti. Ayadi Sandhi will happen. So nothing will happen. You don't have to do anything. The Bhu has become Bo plus A. Baba will remain always. After that, you add the Tip Pratyas. Tip plus G, those Pratyas. I'm just adding. I'm not doing anything, you see. Baba plus Anti. Finally, Baba plus Anti, what will happen here? Here, what will happen? Baba is the Anga. Baba ending with A. And the following letter is
Melanam.
Melanam. So, Melanam will happen. So, Bhavanti. Then the form is Bhavanti.
No, it will be
Pararupa. Bhavanti only.
Pararupa. Bhava is not a Padam. and ending with a. Apadanta akara followed by a guna letter. You have to see the akara as a guna letter, the following one. So purva and para will be replaced by the pararupa, which is guna letter. Therefore, you get bhavanti. Yata patanti. Similarly, bhavanti only. Right? So bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti. You got it? Now, madhyama purusha, ekavachanam. Pratyaya is, what is the pratyaya? Madhyama purusha, sit, which is
Sit.
sarvadhataka,
Sit.
pit pratyaya.
Pit pratyaya.
It is madhyama purusha, ekavachanam. So bhu plus sit, similar, same thing, same steps. You don't have to change anything. Only the pratyaya you change. The rest are same. Bhu will become bhava, bhava plus sit, then bhava si. That's all. The rupam is bhava si, right? So bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti, then bhava si. Then what is the dvivachana pratyaya?
Tas.
Tastha. Same, just copy paste. Replace this by tha. That's all. Done. So bhavataha, bhavatha iti rupam. How easy you see derivation. Sip we have done. Bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti, then bhavasi. Thus, here you can see replace it by thus, which is madhyama purusha, dvivachanam. So replace everywhere by thus. Same step. Bhu plus shap. Once you form the get the anga, over, job is over. After that, you don't have to do anything. Just add the thing pratyaya, get the form. You get bhavatas. Bhavatas will become bhavataha. Bhavataha. Okay. Here are the same thing for Bhagavachana, where it is tha only. So nothing happens, simple. Once you do, after that is simple. It is Bhagavachanam, Madhyama Purusha Bhagavachanam, there it is tha only. So no visarga there. Bhavatha iti rupam. Can you all follow? You have any difficulty in understanding this? Any doubts?
No, Guruji. It's
No,
quite
Ji.
clear.
So Bhavatha is a rupa. Then Uttama Purusha Ekavachana. Let us do that. Uttama Purusha Ekavachana. We copy from Patami. I'm going back and forth. I hope it is not disturbing because I have to
No,
copy back and do this. That's why. Otherwise, I have to type. Waste of time. So, I'm taking from Pat Dhatu. Dhatu is Bhu Dhatu. Bhu plus Shap plus Nit. Then what will happen to Bhu? Simply you can make it. Bhu will become
Akara.
Bo. It is Bo. I'm just making it Guna. Bo plus A will become Bhava. Bhava plus Nit. Then I'm cutting out all the steps. I'm removing. Okay, Bhava plus Nit. Then this Bhava is ending with Akara. What will happen? Followed by Yajnadi Pratyaya. So Bhava will become
Bhavami.
Bhavami. Dirgha. Bhavami. Same for this. Let me copy paste the same thing. Bhavami, Bhavavaha, Bhavamaha. Yep. And here it is. Vas, Dvivachanam. So Bhu plus Shab will become Bhava. Once you form Bhava, that's all. That we keep that as it is. After that, just add the thing pratyaya. So Bhava plus Vas. Bhava Anga ending with Akara, Rasvakara, followed by Yajnadi Pratyaya. Therefore, Anga will become Dirgha, you get Bhava Vas. Then Padanta Sakara will become Bhava Vaha iti rupam. Done. Similarly, bhavavas, bhavavaha, bhavamaha. Uttama Purusha, Bhagavachana Pratyaya is mas. Mas is Bhagavachana. So, therefore, you get the form bhavamaha. Right? Understand this? Any doubts in this?
No, Guruji.
So, bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti, bhavasi, bhavataha, bhavata, bhavami, bhavavaha, bhavamaha. What we memorize, now we derive. This is the example for the which dhatu among the ajanta dhatu, ukaranta dhatu, right? For ukaranta dhatu, bu dhatu. Bu dhatu, I just give an example. Now, you can see now, bu dhatu, bu plus shap will come. Because shap will come, what will happen? Bu will become bhava, right?
Yeah.
Bu will become
Yes,
bhava.
Guruji.
Ukaranta dhatu. Example, bu dhatu. I'm given. Now, I can write here. Dhatu will be ending with, anga will be ending with ukara, followed by the Ganavikrama Pratyaya shap. So the dhatu ending with, the anga ending with, the anga means dhatu ending ukara, what will happen? It will become O. O plus shap. O plus shap will become, that is, O plus shap will become O plus A. Therefore, it will become
Ayavayava Sandhi Guruji.
Ava. So any dhatu is there. Any dhatu ending with ukara, you will see ava there. You will see ava. Simple way to bu dhatu, ukaranta dhatu. Bu dhatu means you will have ava, bhavati. Can you name any ukaranta dhatu? Any ukaranta dhatu belonging to this gana, not any other gana. Belonging to this, specifically to this group. Can you tell any ukaranta dhatu?
Dhatu.
Belonging to the Pratama Gana, first group. We have your Dhatu Kosha, right? Please see Dhatu Kosha, which you have got it long back. I sent you long back. Bu Dhatu. I took examples of Bu Dhatu. Bu become Bhava. Next Dhatu, I just give the example. Dhru Dhatu, there is something, the Dhatu called Dhru. Stairye, Dhruvam Apaye, the Dhru. That Dhru Dhatu, Stairye, steady, the sense of being steady. Dhru, ending with what letter? Dhru Dhatu, ending with
Ukaranta.
what will be the form then? What will be the
Bhamat.
Lakshakara form? Think of
Drava. Drava.
Drava. O will be replaced by Ava.
Ava.
If Dhru is there, Takara, replaced by Ava, will become Dra plus Ava will become Drava. Dravati, Dravataha, Dravanti, Dravasi,
Dravanti.
Dravataha, Dravata. Can we do it? Easy, no? It's difficult. I have given a structure here. I have given the structure. Ukaranta plus shap, O will become O will become Ava. So Dhru Dhatu, replace U by O, Drava. Once you get Drava, then add the Tip Pratyaya, Tip plus G, you add, you get a form. Understand? Is it clear?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes. Please do. Yes, you homework. Dhruvati, you try. Then what will happen if it is do? Okay, Dhru is short do. Let me take the, in fact,
Kru dhatu, Guruji?
Dhru also short. So that we can take as an example for this one. That's so Ukaranta Dhatu. For that we can take this as an example. Okay. Dhru will become, that also will become, whether it's Ukara or Ukara. Okay, another thing. Don't get confused because ukara is whether it is u or u, they are equilateral. U will become o only. So dro, then ayadi sandhi drava. So ukaranta dhatu, I'll give a later example. Ukaranta dhatu you can take dru dhatu, and du dhatu, du will become du means to go. Gatau. What will be the form?
Dava.
Du. Yes. U will be replaced by
Davati.
not davati. Do,
Davati.
do plus a, dau plus a become dava, davati, davataha, davanti, iti rupam. I'm not writing all the form. You can do it. Simple. Understand? Any doubt in this? Do plus shap plus tip. What will happen? It's ukaranta dhatu, iganta. Therefore, O will become O replaced by O. Do plus shap is a. O plus a, yadi sandhi. Dau, dava, davati. That's what I have written. Davati, davataha, davanti. So the format I have written. So let me write the format here for this also. Oh, sorry. Here I should write ukara. Maybe that's a mistake. Ukara. Here it is Rasva U, replaced by O, becomes Ava. So Dru become Dravati, Du become Davati. Similarly, I'll give another example. Dru, what will happen to Dru?
Drava.
Dravati, Dru,
Dravati.
Nakara, Repa, Nukara. Dravati, Dravataha, Dravanti, iti. And Sru will become
Srava.
Sravati.
Sravati, Sravataha.
Sravanti.
Su will become
Sava.
Savati,
Savataha Savanti.
and Gu. All these are Dhatu. Gu will become
Gavati, Gavataha, Gavanti.
Gavati, Gavataha, Gavanti. Ku,
Kavati Kavataha Kavanti.
Gavanti.
then Gu,
Gavati,
Kavataha
Gavataha,
Kavanti.
Dhatu, U. That is Dhatu. Ung Dhatu is that. Ung Dhatu means to make sound. Ung.
Ungati.
Huh?
Angati.
Angati.
Angati. Where is Angati?
No,
Dhatu is
no,
U.
no.
Angati.
Avat.
Yes. But this Dhatu, for your knowledge, this is Atmanepadi Dhatu. Nakara as equivalent there. Atmanepadi Dhatu. Please note. Therefore, what will happen?
Avate Avete Avante.
Very good. The Dhatu is Avate, Avete, Avante. Avase, Avete, Avadve. Ave, Avavage, Avamage. All these dhatus are Parasmepadi. When it is Parasmepadi, I don't mention it is Parasmepadi. Atmanepadi, I will tell you. It is Atmanepadi dhatu. Nakara is equilateral. So, Avate, Avete. Similarly, I can give another dhatu. It is Nung dhatu. Here, this is also Atmanepadi. What will be the form?
Angati.
Davate Davete Davante.
It is not da, it is na, no.
Hmm.
Tell me the form.
Angati.
No.
Ungate.
Why ungate? Mu is there. O is replaced by O. O plus.
Dangate Dangete Dangante.
There is no da. Where is da? Nakara is the letter. That is to tell you that it is Atmanepadi. Dhatu is nu only.
Okay.
Angate Angete Angante.
From where you get a?
Ngavate.
Navate. O plus shab. No will become no plus a. No plus a is na. Navate. Nava. Then add Navate, Navete, Navante. Iti rupam. Where you get a? Don't add a before that. Navate, Navete, Navante. All of you follow or any doubts on that?
No, we are following.
Then Shu, Shung. It is also Atmanepadi. Nakara is it letter.
Chavate.
Chavate, chavete, chavante.
Chavate.
That is why I gave the format. Simple format. Format is there. Ukaranta dhatu will become ava. Replace the last letter of these dhatus. Last letter, the vowel by ava. Dhru will become drava, dhu become dava, dhru will become drava, sru will become srava, su becomes sava, gu becomes gava. Similarly, shu will become shava. And pratyaya is atmanepadi. Tafate, shavate. Simple. There's no difficulty in that. Shavate, shavete, shavante. This is the format. This is the format. If you remember this, then you can do for all these dhatus, right?
Yes.
How many examples you want? You can use so many dhatus are there. Jew, what will happen?
Juhate.
J-
Javate, javete, shavante.
Javate. Javante.
Javante.
Prung,
Pravate.
Pravate.
pravate, pravete,
Pravante.
Pravante.
then plung, atmanepadi.
Plavate.
Plavate.
Plavate means floating.
Floating.
Plavate. Rum. Atmanepadi.
Ravate.
Ravate.
Ravate, ravete, ravante.
Ravate, yes. You can do like this, right? Is it difficult?
No.
Is it not simple? Very simple.
Yes.
Once you know how it is to be done, then it becomes very simple.
Yes, Guruji.
That's why I gave the format at the beginning itself. Uganta, ukaranta, that is iganta. Iganta followed by shab. But iganta, if it is u, will become o. It will take replaced by guna letter. O plus a, ayadi sandhi ava. So any ukaranta dhatu, rasva ukaranta dhatu, replace it, the last vowel to be replaced by ava. Then after that, you add the ting pratyaya, tiptasdi, you get the form. Done. Similarly, ukaranta dhatu, in fact, we started with this. Ukara will become the same thing also, whether it is rasva ukara, dirgha ukara. It will be replaced by the guna letter O only. This you don't get confused. U also will become O. U also will become O. Therefore, form is same ava. So as you replace the ukara by ava, similarly this also replace ukara by ava. So bu become bava. Bhavati, right? Understand?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Yes,
Then
Guruji.
moong. Now you can try moong. Atmanepadi dhatu. Moong will become.
Mava.
Mavate.
Tell the form. Mavate.
Mavat.
Mavate.
Mavate, mavate,
Mavite, mavante.
Yes.
Mavante.
Poong dhatu.
Pavate, pavate, pavante.
Pavate. Pavante.
Done. You understand now the logic?
Yes, Guruji.
Now
Yes,
if it is
Guruji.
ukaranta, we get ava. Same thing we can extend to ikaranta dhatu. What will happen if it is ikaranta? Please tell me. You tell.
It will become A.
Very good. E is a guna letter. It will become
A.
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 A plus what will happen?
I.
What will be? I.
I.
Plus aya becomes aya. Aya is sandhi, right?
Yes, Guruji.
If it is ikara, yes, if it is ikaranta dhatu, then replace the last letter, that is ikara, by aya. If it is ikaranta dhatu,
Same.
same. Now let us see some example for this. I'll give some example. You can tell. She. What is the form?
Ni dhatu. Ni.
Shayate.
Shaya.
Shaya.
Tell the form. Atmanepadi. It's a Parasmepadi. Parasmepadi.
Shayate.
Kshayati, kshayatah, kshayante.
Parasmepadi. If it is Atmanepadi, I will specify. It is Parasmepadi. Shayati.
Shayati.
Kshayatah, kshayanti.
Shayanti.
Replacing ikara by aya, kshaya, kshaya plus ti, kshayati, kshayataha, kshayanti. Right? G.
Yeah.
Jaye.
Jayati.
G dhatu is Parasmepadi. But we say Satyameva Jayate. That is Chandasam. Mundaka Upanishad says. Upanishad can use Parasmepadi or Atmanepadi to their wish. We cannot question the Veda. Veda need not abide by the grammar. In fact, grammar came from, in fact, inferred only from the Veda. So Veda need not obey grammar. Okay, whatever in Veda it is there, it is valid. But Veda Jayate, Satyameva Jayate, in Mundaka Upanishad, Vakyam comes. But Upanishad can use. But grammatically it is Jayati. If we use, we have to say Jayati. Satyam Eva Jayati. So Ji Dhatu, Parasmai Paridhatu, ending with E become Aya, Jaya, Jayati, Jayataha, Jayanti, iti Rupam. Then Shvi.
Swayati.
Shvayati.
Swayati.
Shvayatah. Shvayanti.
Shvayanti.
Jrmi.
Jayati.
Jayati.
Jayati, Jayataha,
Jayanti.
Jayanti.
Ni.
Mayati.
Smayati, smayatah, smayanti.
Very good. It is Atmanipadi. Somebody said Smayate. Cognitive, no, the form. Smayate,
Yes.
Smayate,
Mayate.
Smayante. It's Atmanipadi.
Mayante.
Okay. Then similarly, if I use Shri Dhatu, which is Parasmai Padi.
Shrayate,
Shriyatah.
shrayate, shrayanti.
For information, Shri Dhatu is Ubhayapadi. Therefore,
Shrayate.
Shriyate. Shriyante.
Swayate. Shrayanti.
Shrayati also is there.
Shrayate.
Also it is there. Ubhayapadi. It can take both. Shrayati, Shrayataha. Now, Ikaranta Dhatu, some example. All these dhatus are from the first group. Don't think it is from any other group. Only from the first group I am giving. Because we are dealing only with the first group, first conjugation. Being dhatu, D to fly, Atmanipadi dhatu. What will happen?
Dayate.
Dayate. Dayate. Dayante.
Then this dhatu we know very well. Ning dhatu.
Nayati.
Nayate. Nayati.
Nayati.
Nayati. Nayatah. Nayanti.
Ning Nakara is ith letter. Okay. When Nakara is ith letter, it is there. Understand it is Ubhayapadi. Here also it is same. Shring only. Nakara is ith letter is there. It is Ubhayapadi. So Ning is there. Therefore it is Nayati or
Nayate.
Nayate.
Nayate. So both are possible. Nayati, Nayata, Nayanti, Nayasi, Nayata, Nayata, Nayami, Nayavaha.
Nayama.
You can take this as homework and do it for yourself. This is Ikar on the Dhatu. You have to take at least one Dhatu from each category and try it on your own. Then only you will remember the rule. Otherwise, the rule will go away. You have to do it. Nayati, Nayate. Two forms are there. So it's simple right now. Ikaranta. Why I have not taken Nakaranta? Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Only if it is Iganta only undergoes guna. If it is Akara or Akara, nothing happens. Therefore, I have not taken those as example here. I am not considering those. So Ikara, Ikara, Ukara, Ukara. Then comes what?
Kar.
Ukaranta dhatu. That we will see. Ukaranta dhatu. Some dhatus. If it is Sri dhatu, Ubhayapadi. What will be the form? Just guess. I am not giving the format. I will give the format later.
Harati. Haratah. Haranti.
Yes. What happens here?
Ar. It is replaced by
Replaced by the guna letter.
ar.
Ar,
R plus shat. What will happen to R? R plus shat. What is guna letter of R?
ar,
R. Guna sandhi we have seen.
Yes.
Whenever R is replaced by an, Repa will be added. Therefore, R is the letter. So R plus A will become Ara. So Har will become Harati.
ar.
Papam Harati iti Haraha or Harihi, you can say. Then Gru.
Garati.
Gara.
Garati.
Garati, Garataha, Garanti.
Garataha, Garanti.
Dhatu.
Garati. Garati.
Garati.
Gharati. Gharataha. Garanti.
Garanti.
Gru or Gru means to sprinkle, to spray. Then Dhring Dhatu, Atmanipadi.
Dharate, dharete.
Dharete, dharante.
Dharate, dharete, dharante.
Dharante.
Then svir dhatu.
Swarati,
Sarati,
swaratah.
sarati, saratah, saranti.
Saranti.
Dhru dhatu.
Dharati,
Dharati.
dharatah.
Not dharati.
Dhva,
Not dhru.
Dharati.
It is
Bharati.
Dvarati.
dhvarati,
Dharati.
dhvaratah,
It is
dhvaranti.
Bharati,
dharati,
dvarataha,
dvaratah, dvaranti.
Dhrung dhatu. Ubhayapadi.
Upayapadi.
Bharati.
Bharate,
Bharata. Paranti.
bharate,
Bharati or
bharante.
bharate. Both are there.
Yes.
Then this dhatu, smru dhatu, we know.
Smarati.
Smarati, smaratah, smaranti.
Bharati.
Right? Then
Yes.
what will
Excuse me,
happen?
Guruji.
Yes.
If the dhatu is ending with the fifth class letter, that means it is Ubhayapadi. Like nya, ma.
Yes. If it is nakara, nya, it is Ubhayapadi. If it is na, it is Atmanepadi. Note that.
Okay. Can you repeat that, please?
If it is ends with nakara, then it is Atmanepadi. If it ends with nakara, it is Ubhayapadi.
Okay.
Then for Rukaranta Dhatu, what will happen here? What is the format? The same. Same, it's going to be same. Rukara, what is the guna letter of Ru?
Ar.
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 Don't think it is R. R is Vriddhi. R only. Therefore, Ara. Let us take one example. What is the example? This example. Tru.
Dhru.
Tru will become
Tarati, taratah, taranti.
Tarati, taratah, taranti.
Tru plus Shap plus Tip. Dhatu ending with Rukara, Igantanga, Ru will be replaced by Ar. Ar plus Shap is Ara. So therefore, Tara plus Tip, Tarati. Atmavite Shokam Tarati. So now we have done for all the Igantas, right? Iganta we have done, right? So Alanta, Pat, etc. we have done. And what is left out? Ejanta,
Anhalanta.
And halanta.
Ejanta, Ejanta. Dhatu ending with H.
Yonga yauch.
Dhatu ending with H letter. What will happen? That we will see it now. H means what? A, right? A, I, O, O. Let us take, if it is ends with Ekara or Aikara, followed by Shap, I mean, what will happen? Let us take one, let me take A and then I will take A plus Shap, what will happen? Is it?
Vriddhi will happen.
A plus A.
Huh?
Ayadi.
Will replaced by a vriddhi letter?
Why Vriddhi letter? What rule? Is there any rule which I said or you know it?
No.
No, I'm just guessing.
No guessing.
Ayadi.
Ayadi Sandhi, simple Ayadi Sandhi, very good. Over said. It is just not a equal letter. This is not a equal letter. Therefore, this cannot be replaced by a guna letter. Already it is A only. Therefore, A plus A just do Ayadi Sandhi. That's all. What will happen?
Aya.
Similarly, if it is I, what will happen?
Aya.
If it is I will be replaced by I and Ava, you get Aya. Then if it is O,
Ava.
Ava. It is same as Ukaranta Dhatu now. Ava and how will become?
Ava.
That's all, it is done. So therefore, here becomes Ava. We will take one example for this. Let us take Aikaranta, no example. I will no example. Then I'll give some example here itself. Let us take a dhatu, Dai dhatu. Dai plus Shap plus Tip. What will happen?
Dayati.
Dai is I. It will be replaced by Dai falls under this category. So Dai Dakara plus Aya plus Ti. I'm taking from here. Directly taking from here Aya. Dakar Dai. I is the I letter. Therefore, last letter is replaced by Aya. So dakara plus aya, then dayati. Understand?
Yes,
Yes,
Guruji.
Guruji.
Similarly, dhatu gai will become.
Gayati.
You understand how the word gayati comes now?
Yes, Guruji.
Gai will become gai, then gayati. The same way, dhatu pai. Pai will become
Payati.
payati. All these are ejanta dhatus payati. Many dhatus are there like that. Just give Paying dhatu. What will happen? Paying. Atmanepadi. Pyaying. Pyaying dhatu. Pyayate.
Pyayate.
Pyayate. Similarly, shaying dhatu.
Shayate.
Shyayate. Traying dhatu.
Trayate.
Trayate mahoto bhayat. Gita it comes. Traying. Trayate. 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 Trayante. Glai dhatu. Parsmepadi.
Glayati. Glayatah.
Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir. The glaniki, the word from this dhatu only. Glai. And we have seen glai, mlai, etc. in the infant reader first lesson. Remember?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
What is mlai? Mlai will become
Mlayate.
dhyai.
Dhyayati.
Yeah, it's not dhyanam, dhyai. So dhyayati, dhyayata. But dhyai also is that. That becomes
Dhyayate.
dhyayati, dhyayataha, dhyayati. Why?
Payate.
Payati.
Vayati, vayataha, vayati. Now there is no Atmanepadi. If it is Atmanepadi, I will tell you. Then dhyai.
Dhyayati.
Stayati. Stayataha.
So many dhatus are there, aikaranta. So it is okay. This much. So all these are examples, okay, by which you can know how the forms would be. So ejanta dhatu is also done. Then what is we have to see? Alanta. Not only alanta. Here we have seen only one rule. I told in the beginning, Angakarya, I specifically mentioned this is rule number 1 in PCD Angakarya. When Iganta followed by Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyaya, then the letter of Ganga will be replaced by a Guna letter. And what are the Sarvadhatuka Pit Pratyayas given here? Now, next rule is rule number 2. That we will see. We will see that in the next class. Okay. So this is enough today. If you have any doubts, please ask. Any doubt? Anybody?
We'll do some homework and get back to you, Guruji.
You have to do homework.
Yes,
Yeah,
Definitely
when we
you
are
have to do
doing, then it really occurs to us.
Yeah,
all the
unless it don't do homework, will not understand. Then next class will come with a fresh mind. Nothing will enter. You have to take at least one dhatu from each category, even though you know it, still do it.
Yes, Guruji. Will do.
Yes, dear.
So please do it. And Upada we will see. Priyaji, I have not got sannyasa, don't worry. Okay, and Brahmachari only. This is ID from the Swami Jagadatmananda Saraswati. He is Swami whom I know. He is in Coimbatore. I go and stay there. I got a room there. So he has given his ID, Zoom, I'm using it. This. So don't think I have got sannyasa because I
Yes,
have
sir.
Brahmachari. I'm Brahmachari only. I continue to be Brahmachari. I enjoy being a Brahmachari. Okay. So I don't have any pressure to take sannyasa. I'm quite happy being what I am. Okay.
No, Guruji.
Sannyasa happens, it happens automatically on its own. That time I'll tell you, but not now. My mother is there. I'm staying with my mother in Chennai and teaching. I'm doing my Upasana, and of course, Upasana and my teaching and study Adhyaya, Swadhyaya, and Upasana. That's the main thing. Okay. I have borrowed this Zoom from him because
Okay,
Zoom ID, Zoom subscription is going to get. If we don't have Zoom, So I thought, well, otherwise Zoom for 1 year, it is very costly. So he said he has got his Zoom. Generally for Zoom, we collect only from the students, but already I have purchased a Zoho. So next slowly we will change over to Zoho, which is very cheap compared to this Zoom. For time being, I have borrowed this Zoom from the Swami. I'm using that. Okay. So, don't think I'm got sannyasa. Sannyasa, if it is there, I'll tell you. Huh?
Okay.
I'm yet to prepare myself for that.
Sorry,
Long
Guruji, I
way.
started this thread.
It's a long
We'll
way.
wait, Guruji.
It's a long way to go. Okay. I know where I am. So I'm happy, contented being what I am now. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om. For me, sannyasa is not a must. Okay. Antara sannyasa is important than Bhagya sannyasa. So, Bhagya sannyasa is good, but if you take Bhagya sannyasa, you cannot live with your mother, you cannot live with your family. You have to be away from them.
Okay.
My mother is my responsibility to take care of her. So I'm here. Okay. Had I been in Ramakrishna Mission, I would have got sannyasa in 2013. All my what do you call it? The people, my juniors who have joined mission after me, they're all sannyasis. When I see them, I offer my namaskara. They are sannyasis. But still, I am continuing to be a brahmachari only.
Okay.
I'm happy being what I am. Okay. When it happens, it happens. So don't have any curiosity. Huh? Thank you.
Sorry, Ji. Sorry. I was
Sorry,
about to
Guruji,
text
I
you.
started this thread this morning. That I noticed this on the Zoom
And
meeting.
that is not me. Does it look like me? That's
No,
Swami.
just we read the letters part of it, the letters which read Swami.
Okay. Yes.
And then the recent dash to Rishikesh, we thought, oh, maybe there is some significance.
That's why, Ji. Oh,
You
yeah.
also. It's true that when I was in even the airport, Coimbatore airport, some of my classmates and other students of Swamiji, they came and looking at me. I was waiting. I know what they will ask because I'm going on the Shivratri night to Rishikesh. Are you taking sannyasa? I thought, okay, this question I know it will come. I said no. Before that, I myself told, I'm not going there to take sannyasa. I'm just going there to attend this Maharudram. That's all. I made it very clear at the beginning itself. And I went to Rishikesh. Everybody was suspicious. This fellow is going to take sannyasa at this time. I myself told at the beginning, no, I'm not a candidate for it now. I told right away. Okay.
Thank you, Guruji. Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ ಹರಿ ಓಂ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದः ಗುರುಜಿ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಗುರುಜಿ. ಹರಿ ಓಂ.